Hi, it's Daisy and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing some doodles. This is actually a pocket I'm doing here. So I'm just doodling straight onto the paper, which is a acrylic paper. Okay, with a white oil-based marker at the moment. I'm going to add some black, so it's black and white on bright colour, which I think looks really nice. I don't think it's perfect, but I do like I do actually like it. I do make the thing to go inside the pocket as well and stick it in my journal. And at the end there's another project as well. I'll tell you about that one. I'm going to add some little black lines in a minute. Yeah. I love the way I add these so quickly. Please give me a thumbs up, that'd be absolutely amazing, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much. It does help my channel to grow. That is amazing if you can do that for me. I think I changed that at the end and I didn't finish it off, where the thumb notch is. So yeah, I still haven't actually done it. I just realised I haven't finished it. And I don't know why I do that little bit extra there, because it hasn't got anything. Just doing some circles or dashes around the edge. See, there's those lines, so I change it there. Look, change it, and I thought it looks a bit grey, and then I add some. I think I blow it. I just blow it there till it hasn't dried, and I accidentally wipe it off. Yeah, so cutting out the notch. I'm going to add it to my. I'll stick it on some paper just to make that some really thin paper. That paper I've done the painty papers on. It's kids paper, really thin kids paper, but it does take paint. So I thought that was good. Yes, it's cheap paper. I thought that matched that page. I thought I'll go for that matching page. That's the marbling I've done in the past. I have no idea where it is now, but I've done it in the past. Okay, now I'm going to make a tag out of the same paper, but I like the way these flowers look. I've done on the bottom. I don't know if I've showed you that or you've seen it, but it was near the pocket. I don't know why I've got that folded over like that, so please ignore it. Yeah, strange. Yeah, I like the way it goes on that light green. So this is a foam stamp I'm stamping. I've actually used a ballpoint pen to make those patterns, so it's just a shaped of a flower, and in the middle I've just done with a pen the markings where the middle is, but I'm going to leave some of it because I think it looks really nice, that sort of blue green underneath colour. This actually, the white actually doesn't show up. It takes on the colour of the what do you call that thing? The permanent colour. That's the one. And now I'm only doing that because I want to see what it looks like with an outline. I decide not to do the outline. Okay, so now I'm taking this out. I'm taking it bigger than what I think, so I can add some more flowers to the top for a start. What do I call it? Archival ink, that's the word. Yes, it's archival ink. It takes on the colour of the archival ink. So I'm just adding a bit more. So I will be adding that flower that you saw earlier. I put that outline around. I try and cut out the outline, and I'm just cutting that a little bit smaller so it fits in the pocket, and added it to some, it's more like card, this is, or cardstock if you like, more like cardstock. So I'm just doing it very roughly. I'm not even measuring it or using a ruler. Okay, because I just, yeah, why not? I didn't want to. Right, and now I'm coming. I was going to do black around the edge, but I thought no, white, because it's it looks nice when it gets uplifted by the white. So that's good. And the word create there. If you can't, if you think you're untidy at writing, just obviously practice and practice and practice. That's what I did. My writing is absolutely terrible. I used to get told off at school for being untidy, and hilariously, I know, I used to be told off all the time. And so you just learn, you can learn, teach yourself to be neat. Perhaps making your letters more round or more elongated or something like that. That's the flower. I'm cutting off those, I'm trying to cut off those outlines I did, and I'm going to stick it on the front of that pocket there that you can't see very well because it's too low. I do apologise, but it is there. No, it's hiding it now, but it is there. I'm just putting some, this is with a ballpoint pen, that one of those really cheap ones, and I'm adding some around the edge of that to make that stand out, hopefully a little bit more, or pop if you like. There we go. Now I'm just checking that's, yeah, there we go. Okay, now so just I'm going to do some leaves. Those leaves, I'm collecting some leaves. I've just copied them this morning. I'm using the copies. It's very similar to the other thing where I put a pocket on. I'm going to add this. This is a number thing, right? Okay, so there's a video that I've put out. There's those numbers on it. I've got 6 leaves here. It should be out by the time I put this on. Cut them out. Okay, and then these are the copies of the leaves. I love these leaves. I've had them a while. I just did these randomly one day. They're on some acrylic 6 leaves marked paper. You know, they say use an odd number, but paper with loads 6 actually doodles fit along the page. I thought, oh, I'll use those. I didn't realise I'd added that other bit. Never mind how they fit. Yeah, I decided to put them the other way round in a minute because there was a video I didn't. And stick them on some. I didn't do predictive text paper. Say that. I'm just sticking this on some paper. I'm just making sure it's the right. On the other side, there's some type, so it's like predictive text. Let's stick these all on. I've done a whole sheet of it. So it's like, probably like a bit awkward, you could say book page. Work. Going to cut them all out now. Now that you can't see, put that out. Put it there just to make sure it fits. I'm wondering how long, just making sure that's gonna. I just cut how far the rest of it now. Put them up actually so that the cover. I wish I had put them leaves a little bit closer because page. They don't have a gap in the middle. Okay, I'm hoping I don't enjoy my content today. Why do I get these things? It's like this absolutely amazing. I'm just right, so I'm doing that's as far as I'm going to do the up there, and then the cover will protect it. So that's like a page edge now. Yes, I do hope you like this. Okay, this is a. And I didn't see you again soon. Thank you. I didn't get to